One thing to emphasize here is how computationally efficient these models can be. There are 21 different value creation measurements on this chart, but they're calculated from only 9 numbers. These are the independent variables, and if you set up your spreadsheets correctly, as we do with our Excel templates, these are the only numbers that you need to change when you update your model at the end of the quarter. 6 of them come from the company's capital structure and P&L. And look what they are: fund equity, total equity, and net debt, and then revenue, gross profit, and EBITDA. These are numbers that are often found on portfolio company one-pagers in a GP's marketing deck or in a fund's quarterly report. And then you have the market data points. GPs and LPs talk about market multiples all the time, so there's plenty of sources for that. Addressable market changes can come from industry reports or economic data, and sector debt ratios can be estimated from something like Capital IQ or even Yahoo Finance. Unlike the other academic and industry models that require detailed portfolio cash flows and other proprietary data, you might be able to build this model without ever making a special data request to a private equity GP or deal team.